Good welding is not just about joining two pieces of metal. It's about making the joint clean, strong, and professional. The first thing you should do is clean the surface. Remove any dirt, rust, or paint, because a dirty surface will never give you a strong weld. Next, focus on the rod angle. Keep your electrode tilted around 15 to 20 degrees. This will help the heat penetrate properly and form a smooth bead. Another important point is travel speed. If you move too fast, the bead will be thin and weak. If you move too slow, the weld will build up and look messy. Your machine settings also matter. Choose the right amperage for your rod size and metal thickness. Correct current will give you a stable arc and a beautiful finish. Finally, practice consistency. A straight, even bead not only looks professional, but also ensures long-lasting strength. If you follow these tips, every weld you make will be strong, neat, and reliable.